Barry again, and this is a warning to anybody who has one of these, DJI Mini 2, or indeed any of the drones, DJI or otherwise. It's a warning to say, please check the weather reports on the many apps that are around, that you can say whether it's good to fly or not. I totally ignored that this morning and decided to take my drone up and get some footage of the east-west rail link between Oxford Cambridge, the updates and updates at Bletchley, from my house in West Bletchley, just behind Bletchley Park. It was a little bit windy and I thought, yeah, I'll be okay. So I flew over around about 110 meters, which is near about 380 feet, close to the limit but below, in sport mode to get the drone to where I needed to record the footage. I got to the spot and proceeded to switch over to cinematic mode, so I prefer that for smoother footage, and the problem started there. I started to lose signal, which I have done before but managed okay, and quite a few strong wind warnings came up, and a couple of times I lost signal. Now that's not a problem before, or it hasn't been a problem before, because it's automatic return to home. It's set up on the DJI Fly app to return to home if the remote control loses signal. You can set it to land or return to home. Land is never a good idea because obviously the reason you lose signal is the drone's a bit further away from you. Yeah, so I lost signal a couple of times and it told me I could not return to home automatically. At one point I lost signal completely and I thought I've lost the drone, but it reconnected and I decided to bring it back home. On the way back, for some reason it was flying sideways, as you can see from the second bit of footage. The first bit of footage was taken while I was above the railway works. There's no trains passing, so I was nowhere near the trains. Yes, it was a bit of a heart-stopping moment, and I managed to get it home safely and land, and decided I will check the app next time. So yeah, as you can see from the two video clips, yeah, not the best of times, but I can honestly say the Mini 2 did cope. Bit of buffeting, but obviously the higher up you go, the more wind sensitive it can be. The video footage was stable, but it was the loss of signal that nearly caused me to lose the drone. And I know other people on YouTube have stated that they've lost their drone for various different reasons. So just be careful when you're flying and check the weather reports. Okay, thank you for watching and please subscribe.